How slim and lightweight is your current smartphone? Now, while you type in the comments, let me tell you about the one I'm using. It is the latest Infinix Hot 60 Pro Plus, the first ever thinnest smartphone in the world, coming in at 5.95mm in thickness and weighing only 155 grams. Now, that's even lighter than the Galaxy S25 Edge and its competitor, the Redmi Note 14. Although it costs a little more than the Redmi Note 14 in pricing, which is not the problem at all. Just take a look at this, guys. Isn't this impressive? Infinix did it first, not on flagship, not on Note series, but on the budget segment. And surprisingly, this packs a 5160 mAh battery capacity, which makes me wonder how Infinix pulled this off again after what we saw on Hot 50 Pro Plus. And it charges at 45 watts, taking less time to go from 0 to 100%, which is impressive. If there is anything left to say, this is an impressive device, if not perfect, unless you just don't like Infinix phones.
Are you in love?
I am in love. Are you in love?
I'm in love too.
I agree.
So last year's Hot 50 Pro Plus was all about the beginning of new era for budget phones. I used this for about 3 months and yes, it was that good. Though not perfect, but it was a good phone and still is. And the Hot 60 Pro Plus is all about impressive upgrades that checks all boxes with less compromises. You cannot talk about this device without addressing its appearance, as it has been Infinix's biggest selling point. The main highlight is the sleek design, complemented mostly by the record-breaking slim frame. From the jump, you can tell why there has been so much marketing around this slim profile, with the frame barely being there. The 3D curved display and brushed finish at the back also goes a long way to complement the whole R6, giving the phone the premium vibes that you don't get to see in this segment. Now, the supposed triple camera setup is also one I would describe as minimal, which is in line with the whole look of the phone. However, it is worth mentioning that this carries only one active camera sensor, the Sony's IMX882 50MP main camera. The other two are just dummies to fill up empty space, so that's a positive as well. Now, when talking about how slim a phone is, there tend to be a lot of questions how ready it is for impact against unfortunate or accidental falls. Well, the back cover is glass fiber composite, so you don't have to worry about breakage if it falls. While the screen itself is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 7i and improved durability over older Gorilla Glass generations without paying flagship price. It also comes with an IP65 rating for added protection against dust and low pressure water jet. So when it comes to overall durability, this is a solid device. You still got dual JBL speakers, which has been a thing with Infinix phone for a while now, and also IR remote sensor for controlling your electrical appliances. You have your Type-C port, your microphone, and your dual nano SIM card space. Impressive. The Infinix Hot 60 Pro Plus retained its predecessor screen size of 6.78-inch 3D curved AMOLED display, but this time with an improved resolution of 1.5K and up to 144Hz refresh rate, which is more than good enough. Again, flagship specs on a budget. The display quality was also surprising, with colors popping up well enough and the general quality and resolution being something you can only associate with more expensive phones. Beyond the ultra-thin design, overall durability and display quality, you're also getting added performance with the new Helio G200 processor. Although the upgrade from G100 is not a huge leap, the slight improvement does contribute to smoother day-to-day performance, and honestly, I had no complaints in that area. So when it comes to general performance, the Hot 60 Pro Plus holds its own. I'm not always the biggest fan of XOS, but there's no doubt that the software has gone a long way to improve over the years, and Android 15 as the base makes sure to add to the smooth experience of the user interface while adding more fun and interactive features. Plus, Infinix had officially inherited this iOS control center, adding to the overall appearance of the user interface. And I also like the fact you don't get to see much bloatwares, and you can also uninstall them if you don't have use for any. You also get more than 5 other useful AI features, and what I like, however, is that it is not forced upon you in the general setting, which might put users who are not familiar with AI functionality off sometimes. To access them, all you have to do is go to settings and scroll to select Infinix AI. Though I wish we had it somewhere in the control center for easy access, but in all, Infinix did an impressive numbers on this one. So generally, the Infinix Hot 60 Pro Plus is probably the best budget smartphone I have reviewed this year, and a long list of pros can show you why. The design is a very big plus, super gentle to hold, and separates it from a lot of budget phones that does very little to look their best. It is a smartphone that I can see many assuming to be more expensive than it looks, and that is a good thing. So I recommend this to anyone looking to upgrade operate on a strict budget unless you just don't like Infinix phones, and that is okay. But I can tell you this is the best budget deal you can get right now in this segment. Now let me know what you think about the Infinix Hot 60 Pro Plus in the comments, and also shots taken from the 50 megapixel main camera. As always, thanks for watching, guys. I guess I'll talk to you in the next one. Okay guys, this is the video test of the 13 megapixel of the Infinix Hot 60 Pro Plus shooting at 2K 30 frames per second right here in Abuja. The weather is kind of cloudy, but let me hear from you. What do you guys think about this 13 megapixel in the comment section below? Is it good enough for vlogging? Let me hear from you guys. What do you think about it? Is it good for the price? Let me know in the comment section below. And also, if you'd like to see a comparison between the Infinix Hot 60 Pro Plus and the Redmi Note 14, if you'd like to see that as my next video as well, still let me know also in the comment section below, and I'll be sure to make that my next video.